Redneck Evel Knievel here. And what we have here is the gray turtle. This thing has a whopping 6.5 liter turbo diesel in it. Can you believe that? 6.5 liters, biggest thing on the market. And really, in all reality, it's a pile of crap. But anyway, so here's reasons not to buy a 6.5 liter diesel. You get problems like this. And which you can turn the crank a little bit and it'll turn over, but you can't get it to start. So, I don't know. Gray turtle down for the count. Don't buy a 6.5. That's all.